Welcome back, friends. In the previous video, we saw that how to create the forgot password and reset password page. Now in this video, we are going to set up our home page. So this is our home route. So we are going to set up this, as well as we are going to apply some validations like if the user is logged in or not. And we will create navigation bar also here. So if the user is not logged in, then we will show login and sign up button. Otherwise there will be another button. So as we have not connected this with our backend here, so we will do with the static data only, and whenever we will be connecting this with the backend, and then we will set up our all requests that we will do to our backend APIs. And the second thing, we will create a verify page, that is verification of the email page. So for that we will create the route as well as we will create the component. So now without wasting any time, let's get into it. So first of all, let's create our verification email page. So the verification email page will be the same like reset password page. So we are going to do with the same this thing only. So copy this, and here let me remove everything. This we don't need. Also this we also don't need, and this also we don't need. So here let's first of all create the route here, that is verify email, and it will be also having a token here. So it will be also having the token. So here let's create one component here, and under the pages I'm going to create one file. So this file will be verify email.js, and I'm going to paste this all code. So here actually we don't have to write anything here, just here we want only one button, sorry, not one button, we only want one text view. So everything I'm going to remove it here. So remove this, and here also we don't need any box, so just we need typography here, and I'm going to remove this all also, and here will be verify email. And for the verification of the email, so first of all let me remove this, we don't need this form, but we need heading here. So here instead of this heading, so let it be heading only, and we don't want any color here, so I'm going to remove the color, and here we will be having some text. So first of all we have to create one more state here, so I'm going to create one state, and that will be, let's create here verified or set verified. So let's import use state. So first of all let me remove the unnecessary code. So we don't need this, we also don't need this, and from the React we have to import use state, and we also need use effect. So use effect will be there. So by default it will be false, because by default verified will be false here. So here we will check if the user is verified. So if the user is verified, then what we are going to show, and otherwise what we are going to show. So if user is verified, then we are going to write here you are verified. Otherwise we are going to verifying please wait. So if there is any error, so for that we are also going to add something here. So if there will be some error here, like here will be error and set error, and here will be some message here. Here will be some message here. So here we are having verified, and there should not be error. So error should be is equals to empty here. So there should not be any error, or let me write only null here. So here will be null will be there. So if there is not any error and user is verified, then we are going to show you are verified. Otherwise we also have to do some condition, like if error is there. So if error is there, then we are going to show the error only. So just we are going to show the error. So that will be error. So we are going to show the error. Otherwise we are going to show verifying please wait. And if the token is not present, then we are going to show token not present. And use effect, we will use this use effect. So whenever so we will use this use effect in our next video. So like in the next video we are going to connect our backend with frontend, and all the code that we have to do to send the request to send the request to the APIs of the backend. So that we will do in the next video. So I mean from next in the next video your project will be completed, and then we will move for the deployment, or we will see some bugs and then we will move for the deployment. So that will vary. So here we have created this successfully, verify email, and let me import this also. So I'm going to import this verify email, and let's import this verify email, verify email. So just save this, and it is compiling. It will take little time for the compilation, so let's wait for that. So see that we are at the verify email page, and I have not mentioned the token here, and we are getting token not present. Now let's apply any token here, as the validation of this token will only done by the backend. So I'm going to put any random token here and going like this, and it is reloading again, and see that here we are getting verifying please wait. So this means that that code is working successfully. So this verifying please wait will come in here, and with the help of use effect, if the token is present, then with the help of use effect we will send request to the backend, and then backend will do the thing and send response, and with the response, if there is error, we will show the error here. Otherwise, if there is not error, we will show you are verified successfully. And this thing we are going to do in the next video, as in the next video we are going to connect backend with the front end. So now we have done with verifying email. Now let's go towards the home page. So now we don't need this verify email page, so I'm going to remove this, and here so now here let's move to the home page here. So I'm going to the home page, and as we have created this home page route already here, so now here we are going to create the navigation bar first. So for that I'm going to create one new component, so that will be navbar. So navbar.js will be there, RAFCE. So let me rename this. So it will be navbar. So now this RAFCE will work. So let's import React from React. And constant navbar is equals to, and here we will get some props here. So first prop we will get is logged in, and second prop we will get user. So export default navbar, and here we are going to create the navigation bar. So for that we are going to use MUI app bar here, and let's first of all go to the documentation, and we are going to use this app navbar with responsive menu. So now I'm going to click on this code here, and here we are having the code. So first of all I'm going to copy this all. So this all thing we need, copy this. So these are the all dependencies that we want. So let's import these all. So first of all we need the app bar, then box is there, we need the box also, then toolbar, icon button, typography, and then menu icon, container, avatar, button, tooltip, and these are the pages. As we don't need any pages here, so I'm going to remove this all. So there will not be any page. And then for the settings there will be not be any profile, account or dashboard. So here will be only one thing, that is logout. And now let's move forward, and here we need some states here. So I'm going to import this, and these are the some things here. So let's copy this. So this I'm doing this like this because I don't want to waste the time, so that's why I'm copying this. First for this anchor el name is there, then anchor el user. So this is actually for the responsiveness, handle open nav menu, handle open user menu. So this is just for the purpose of responsiveness. Now let's go back there, and here from the app bar I'm going to copy all this, and then we will modify this. I'm going to copy this, and now we don't need this anymore, and let's paste it here. Return, and let's paste this. Just save this here, and let's see the changes. So there should not be any errors. Yeah, there is not any error. Now let's go to the home, and here we have to use this navigation bar. So here I'm going to use this. So first of all there will be the fragment here, and then here will be navbar. Import navbar from /navbar, and here we have to create some states. So first will be is logged in, is logged in. So here will be is logged in and set is logged in. We are going to use react.useState. So actually we have to do this in the app.js only. So I'm going to do this here. So app.js. Here first of all this will be false, and then we need user, and here we have to write set user. So by default user will be null here, and we are going to pass this to the home. So here will be is logged in, and then user will be user. So copy this and save this here, and then let's move to the home, and here I'm importing is logged in and user here. Let's pass this here, and save this. Now this should work successfully. Our navigation bar will be there. So our page is compiled successfully, and now let's see the changes. So this is how our page is looking, and now you can see that there is so much space here. So we have to remove this space. So to remove this space, we will apply the Css baseline here also. So for that I'm going to I'm going to verify email only, and here I'm going to use Css baseline. Copy this and let's go here, and here paste this, and we have to import the Css baseline also. So I'm going to import this. Yeah, from here I'm going to import. Copy this and let's import this now. So here will be like this. Save this. So it is compiling. So till then let's do some modification here. See that when we will go here, and here we don't have image, so that's why only name is showing here. So same thing we will do. So like this one, so I'm going to remove this. So let's remove this only, and then here we don't have any pages, so that's why let's remove this also. So let's remove this as we don't have any pages here. So I'm going to remove these pages also, and here we don't need any button, so I'm going to remove this also. Just save this. Oh, okay, so actually we are using pages here, so let me do back. Yeah, so we don't have any pages, so that's why I will not remove it. But if you want to add some pages, you can add the pages here like this. In this you can add, like, this will be the page 1 and this will be the page 2. These will be the navigations here, and then here we will check first of all if the user is logged in or not. So here I'm going to change this MERN JWT auth, and here MERN JWT auth. So actually this is for mobile as well as for the desktop. So that's why because this is responsive here, so that's why. So actually we are having the error because we haven't saved this, and let's save this also. And in the settings we have only one thing, so that's why this is showing to us here. So this is compiling. Now our page is compiled successfully here, and here I have to reload this. And see that the unnecessary CSS is also removed here, and see that here we don't have any image, so that's why our avatar is not showing like this. So now we have to do one thing, like if the avatar is not there, if user is not logged in, then we have to show login and register button only. So for that we need the button, so let's do that. So this one is there. Here icon button is there, avatar, and tooltip is open settings. So here we will check if the user is logged in. Is logged in. So if the user is logged in, then we are going to show our this tooltip here. Otherwise there will be the button here. So here React fragment will be there, and here will be two buttons. So I'm going to copy this button here. Let's copy this and paste here, and also paste this. So here we don't need any key here, and also we don't need on click now, and its color. So color will be white, will be okay. So this only we want. So here will be login, and here will be register, and we don't need this. Here instead of my it will be m only, so because we want margins from both every side here. Just save this, and now let's see the changes. So our app is compiled successfully here, and here I have removed display block here, so we don't need any display block. So here see that we are getting login and register button. So these two buttons we are getting here. So now we want this button to go to login page or register page. So for that, first of all, I'm going to import use navigate. Use navigate from the React router DOM. Import use navigate from React router DOM here. So we are having the use navigate. So this is same as use history, but this is used for the navigation purpose. So here we have use navigate. So let's create a navigation const navigation navigate variable, and then we are going to call this use navigate. Then we are going to pass this use navigate in the on click. So where are our buttons? Yeah. So here we are going to pass on click. So on click will be navigate to login, and this one will navigate to sign up, register, and let's see if there is any other avatar icon. No, there is not any icon, so I'm going to just save this and let's wait for the compilation. So our app is compiled successfully here. So now let's go to the browser, and when I will click on login, so see that we are moved to the login page, and when I will click on register, and we are moved to the register page. So now we have done home page as well as verify email page. So for today this is enough. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. I will definitely respond to that. At last, thanks for watching.